This is just a video on converting Excel documents to PDF, but I'll be using this Power Automate template. The template comes with these steps to complete, and you just need to fill in the variables that are left blank. So that's what I've done with I've done the same thing. So you can see here, this process is a bit overly complicated for what I want to do, which is just convert an Excel file to PDF. But this process worked. There's probably simpler ways of doing it, but just I think because I'm new at Power Automate, I'm not really sure how to. The simpler template wasn't working, and this one was. So yeah. Anyway, so this is what I've got plugged in, and so what I'm doing is coming over to here. So the form is the style of form that contains shapes and objects that can only be viewed in desktop. And for that reason, I want to convert it into PDF so that I can extract the data using AI. So if I just get this form and copy it, triggering the creation of a new form, we can see here it takes a while to start up, but the duration seems to be very. Oh, here we go. It's just running. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not sure. On 11 seconds is how long it took. So if we come back over to here and go to the outputs, we've got the PDF document as a multi-page sort of thing printed out.